how to share Instagram post to your story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share an Instagram post to your story. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to the profile page. Now here, simply scroll through your feed and select the post that you want to share. Now tap on the send icon or a paper plane icon shown below the post, and from there the option will appear. From that option, simply tap on add to story and the post will be added to your story editor. Now here you can adjust its position and make customizations like adding text, stickers and music as needed. And once you're happy with the edit, simply tap on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, tap on share. And that's it. That's how you can share Instagram posts to your story. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.